From Los Angeles to a worldwide audience, this is Boaz Power TV, where we take your life to the next level. Now, internationally known speaker and author, here's Boaz.
Hi, welcome to the Power Show. You are part of the Power Nation, and I'm so glad you're here. Here we help you improve your attitude, your relationships, your finances, and your career as we take your life to the next level. This is episode number 183 on Boaz Power TV, and I call this one Transformations on the Erie Canal. On a yearly basis, I conduct over 100 seminars for a worldwide organization of CEOs called Vistage. It's an amazing organization comprised of 12,000 members in 17 countries, and they meet monthly in groups of about a dozen to 15 chief executives. Resource speakers like me are brought in to share ideas with these leaders. Often these CEOs, after experiencing my program, will invite me to conduct my high-performance seminar for their employees. These events are usually held within their facilities, or if the group is large enough, in an auditorium in their community. Well, about 3 or 4 years ago, I was invited by Lori Scott, a Vistage member in Rochester, New York, to conduct such a seminar for the employees of her high-end women's boutique, Les Avant Garde. She runs this lovely and very successful store in Pittsford. It's a suburb of Rochester. Now, next door is a men's store called Mentality, and it's run by Lori's son, Jason. Lori's a very creative, fun, outgoing person who obviously cares a great deal about the 15 employees of her store. She wanted to give them something special through my seminar. This was not about them becoming better employees, but rather about improving their lives. Within a stone's throw of Les Avant Garde is the historic Erie Canal there in Pittsford. In discussing the event, Lori came up with the idea of conducting the seminar on a moving boat on the Erie Canal. This was going to be the most unusual locale that I've ever presented my seminar. It was about 5 p.m. on a Sunday evening when we all gathered at the dock. The boat, the Sam Patch, was about 40 feet in length and had a large covered area with windows all around. Lori had a lovely dinner catered, and as the boat gently departed from the dock, we all sat down to enjoy the dinner. Now, as I began my seminar, I quickly realized that this group of people was intensely interested in what I was saying. The majority were younger ladies from late teens to early 20s. I don't care what anyone may say about the younger generation. This group was focused and eager to learn. They took notes and asked questions. I learned about each one of them, about their lives, about their goals, about their aspirations. It was fascinating to hear them talk about themselves. At one point, I simply asked everyone to stop and take a look around. The sun sat gently on the horizon. The boat was gliding slowly on the mirror-like surface of the canal, and the trees and shrubbery on either side looked beautiful. I asked everyone to soak in the peacefulness of the moment. How many times do we miss such magic because we're rushing too much? Because of the simplicity and the power of my goal-setting and high achievement program, I often get notes after my events from participants who have been positively affected by the program. The notes I receive after Lori's event have to rank as some of the most touching I've ever received because they reflect a cornerstone of achievement: appreciation. Appreciation. I wanted to share some excerpts with you. I do not share these thoughts because I wish to pat myself on the back. No, rather, I'm sharing them because I want to encourage you to take the time to share some of your wisdom with others. We never know how many people we can affect by simply showing a very caring and encouraging attitude. This came from Morgan, one of Lori's employees. Boaz, words cannot describe the wonders you have brought to my family and me. What you and Lori have given to all of us is one of the most precious gifts anyone could give. Tracy, another employee, reflecting the power of writing down goals, stated, I left the boat with an improved sense of ease and understanding of my goals and self-image. I have felt more directed and settled in the big picture all week. Sarah wrote the following. I learned that saying things out loud and writing down little goals helps accomplish almost anything. Susan wrote, I don't think it was a coincidence that the sun finally came out from behind the clouds as we were floating down the Erie Canal. Joan, I have the picture of a ring that reminds me to dream, even if it is just for me. Susan, I have spent a great deal of my adult life not listening to the little voice inside of me, which, thanks to you, is now a powerful and positive voice. Jason, I have been using the tips you have given me and I'm making great progress. Ashley, you really made me open my eyes and realize that I can make confident decisions and that the only thing I need to do is look at myself for the answers to my questions. All of these were touching comments with messages to all of us that I humbly received after that magic evening on the Erie Canal. Question, how many lives could you transform by sharing some of your wisdom as you take the time to coast down a gentle canal of your life? So here is a daily sharing affirmation from this message of Boaz Power TV. You may want to write this down. I take the time to share my wisdom with others and rejoice in seeing them blossom. I take the time to share my wisdom with others and rejoice in seeing them blossom. Thank you for joining me. It is always a pleasure. You are special, you are unique, you are destined for greatness, and I see you sharing your wisdom with others. And if you like these messages, please do me a favor, forward this to 5 people you know. Suggest they go to my website, boazpower.com. They can also subscribe to the free weekly broadcast of Boaz Power TV. You, I see it in you. You are a champion. Have a powerful day.
This has been Boaz Power TV. To comment, see other episodes, or to subscribe to this free broadcast, go to our blog at boazpower.com. That's boazpower.com. We're here to take your life to the next level.